Okay guys, now we are working with a completely different substrate. This is our chrome substrate. This is actual metal. You can see here it's loaded in the printer. You can see the reflection on this. When I say chrome, I mean chrome. It is ridiculous. Really an amazing finish to your actual graphics. Right now I'm doing my chrome Punishers. These are the Punishers patriotic version. I love these. They've got the American flag in it, and when you see the blues and the reds come out of this printer, it is insane. You can see right now the iridescence, and that's through the tinted glass on the P7000. So again, I cannot emphasize enough, when you learn the different substrates that we offer, you can get a result that will easily rival virtually any print shop. The big thing here is just understanding, once again, your actual substrates. You can see here the reflection, what we've got. And again, the Punishers are actually reflecting through the glass. Let me see if I can get out of the glare a little bit. Oh yeah, there you go. Amazing finish, amazing finish. We get a lot of requests for different graphics on this substrate because again, it's very unique and it really adds pop if you're looking for whatever application you have to really stand out. We've actually had clients ask us to use this substrate on their vehicle and then paint over it, which I think is really creative. I've not seen an application that actually worked on, because again, the substrate is still thick enough that you really have to be careful with it, in the sense that you're going to be layering a lot of paint if that's what you plan on doing. As you can see right now, it's coming out of the printer, and you can see exactly what we're producing. I'm trying to explain this to everyone when we've done our listings and gone over this material. It's taken quite a few years to come into production because we wanted it to be an actual metal substrate without actually being an imitation one, where you're dealing with a finish that you're not going to get a real chrome effect. This substrate is without a doubt a mirror, and that's really what we're looking for here, is to give us more of a mirror finish, and you can see exactly what you've got here. Now of course you do have to laminate this. The 3M8518 goes on like butter on this, but you can see the effect and the depth, and in sunlight, true sunlight, these just look amazing. So if you're dealing with a lot of bling, so to speak, I know that's a real popular word, if you're dealing with that, you want a lot of pop to whatever you're working with, this is extremely unique. It makes all of your colors pop, and especially if you guys are doing product labels really stand out, because on the shelf, regardless of what vendor you work with, their product is usually going to stand out more than any other because of just the iridescence of the colors that you're working with. And again, if I pan the camera, see if I come this way, you can see, and again, the reflection and the depth, literal chrome reflection. I mean, the clarity is insane. It's like printing on a mirror. That's probably the easiest way to explain it. Come up here, let's see the printer do its job. Again, we've had just as good a results with, like I said, two, probably $150 to $300 printers. You'll get the same results easily. I'd stay away from extra budget printers. If you're looking at like an $80 printer, be realistic. Stay with, again, a name brand, an Epson, a Canon, HP, excellent printers, and you're going to get amazing results. Your products, your actual finishes on whatever you decide to work with are really going to show it. You can see exactly what we got here. I like another, one of my other graphics that's real popular is my paint splatters on chrome. It really stands out. It gives it more of the ink to give a candy effect, which is really hard to reproduce with a printer in digital imaging, but this material, you can really do it. Again, the effects you're able to create is just amazing. If I just move that a little bit, you can see just how reflective that is. And again, considering this isn't laminated, take that into consideration, the effect you have here. When it's laminated, you're going to get that base coat, clear coat effect once again.
and it'll really, really stand out. So again, guys, if you have questions on this substrate, and believe me, we get a lot of questions primarily on this substrate, that's fine. Message Joanna and I, CG Vinyl Studio. Once again, the link will be in the description of the video, and we'll see exactly what we can produce as far as whatever size sheet you require. We have had requests for rolls for this, but overall, we're really trying to stay now with pretty much sheets because, again, handling this it's a real finicky material to handle, so you want to just pay attention to using your gloves. See, the printer's now finishing up, and you'll be all set. Thank you again for your support. Take care.